Hi everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to create simple drop-down lists in Excel. So a lot of people, they don't use this drop-down feature, but it's super, super simple to use and implement. So today we're going to do one. So I'm going to create a issues log, and I'm going to say this is going to be my issue description. And in my issues log, I'm going to have status because I want to be able to say whether it's in progress or whether it's been assigned or whatnot. So I've called the status here. So let's say the different types of issues that I'm going to have. And let's call this a issue related to a construction project. So I can say that the door is not working. That's an issue that's happening in the house. I can say that the cabinets require alignment. So these are different issues. Now, in terms of the statuses of each of these issues, so let's go in here. So now I don't want it to be, someone types in whatever, someone can say this is new, this is pending, like what does all of these things mean? I've got a specific status I want people to put in. So I'm going to create a new tab and I'm going to call this my lists tab because I could have more than just one list. So I'm going to put in here status could be that it's logged. It is something that is a work in progress. It could be that it's completed. Somebody's fixed it already. It could be that it's no longer an issue. So these are the different statuses that I have for my construction project. Once I've entered in all of the different statuses that I'd like somebody to select from that drop-down list, I'm going to put in the word status up at the top. So you can see I've got the status in the name box and I've just put in here status in here as well. And when I selected these rows, you saw that I didn't select status. I just left status out of it. So I don't want status to be in that drop-down list. Now I've got a named set of cells, which is called status. So then I'm going to go into sheet 1. This is where I want my drop down to be. So then I'm going to select that cell. I'm going to go into data in the ribbon. I'm going to click on the data tools and select data validation. In this pop-up, what we're going to do is we're going to be selecting the data validation criteria. So what we want to do is we want to allow the value of list, and we want to set the source as that name that we defined, which is status. So source is equal to status. I'm going to press OK, and voila, there is those different issues statuses that I've put in. I can make this a bit wider so you can see this a little bit better. So here's all of the different statuses. So if I want my second issue to also have that same thing, I copied and pasted that, so I've got that. If I want all of these issues that I'm going to be logging to have all of it, I've just copied and pasted that drop-down list and I've got it all over there. That is how you create a simple drop-down list in Excel.